I'll be showing you how to set a new passcode on the iPhone 7. So the passcode is basically Apple's password system. It consists of a series of numbers that you can use to protect certain features and settings on your device. We first need to open up settings. From there, scroll down until you reach the Touch ID and passcode option. And don't press Siri. From there, scroll down again and select Turn Passcode On. It says here to enter a passcode. Obviously, just for this tutorial, I'll be just using 00000, but as I said, do not use it. This is quite helpful. So if it's a passcode that's commonly used by people, Apple will notify you saying, are you sure you want to use it? It's quite simple. We obviously want to use it just for the purpose of this tutorial. Once you've verified it, you'll then see the turn passcode off and change passcode option. That means your passcode option is working. If we select change passcode, we enter our old one, and we can then enter a new one. There's also the passcode options. So what this does is, this is slightly different. So we can add an alphanumeric code. So this passcode will involve letters and numbers. Again, you can play around with it and see which one suits your needs. For a lot of people, just having the numbers alone is good enough, but if you prefer something a bit more robust by being able to use letters, then feel free to as well. It's exactly the same as the number-based passcode. Just remember, select passcode options and your options are listed there. And that is how you set a new passcode on the iPhone 7.